back to my IGTV. I hope you're doing all well. It's been super long since I've made any talk through videos, so here it is. So I have this one really interesting concealer to show you. I use it all the time. Show you that how you can conceal your dark circles, your acne scarring. As you can see, my skin is red. It is red today, but I don't know what happened. The rosacea is coming through, so I might have to use a little bit of corrector. But generally when I don't have this much redness on my face, which is most of the days, I use that concealer on its own and it works beautifully. So let's get started. So I've already moisturized my face and now I'm going to use a primer. I'm going to use this Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. This is a must have for me. You can't really get this in India, but this is such a gorgeous primer. I'm just going to take half a pump. I'm starting on the center of my face. I am smoothing it and pressing it at the same time. Now that we are done with our primer, I'm going to use a very tiny amount of corrector. I'm using my Too Faced concealer in the shade Sand. I use it as my corrector, and I always like to take out some on the back of my hand. So I'm just going to press this concealer onto my skin. So the concealer I was talking about is this one. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I'm in the shade 312, and this is such a full coverage concealer. It's matte but not too matte. It gives a very natural finish and it stays for a very long time, and this shade matches me to the point. This is such a good match for me, though I'm not able to find a lighter concealer to highlight under my eyes, but this is such a good match. Now I'm just going to concentrate this concealer on my problem areas. So I'm not going to use any concealer on my forehead as it looks pretty clear. And what is left on my brush, I'm going to blend it all over my face. You can see how my skin is looking even. So now I'm going to use a powder wherever I crease. Just look up and set your under eyes and make sure there are no creases. So for now I'm just going to set my under eyes as I have a lip and cheek cream which I really want to use. So this is the one. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. The color looks really pretty, and so I really want to use it as my blush. It is very well. So once that's done, I'm going to set my laugh lines and the center of my face with the same powder. So now I'm going to be back after doing my brows because I cannot do it on camera. Brows are done. It looks quite dark on the camera, but when I see in the mirror, it looks fine. So I don't know what is happening. So now I'm going to finish doing the rest of my face, and I'm going to start with this bronzer. This is the Jouer bronzer in the shade Medium to Deep 2. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful bronzer. It has a little bit of sheen to it. I'm going to mix both the colors. Now for the blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in the shade Harmony. I actually love a lot of blush, so you can stop wherever you feel like stopping. So that's how my skin looks like now. Adding highlighter during daytime, it's very personal choice. I like very little amount of highlight. For that, I'm going to use my Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm barely touching my brush. I am just going to hit the top of my cheekbones, a little on my nose and my chin. So I'm going to finish doing the rest of my makeup and I'll be back in a sec. And I'm back, and this is what I've done. I just used a medium brown shade and blended it all over my crease and lid. And I just added a pair of lashes because why not? And I used this color. This color is so stunning. This is by MAC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Mandarin O Powder Kiss. It looks really intimidating in the bullet, but on the lips, oh my god, this gives me such beachy vibes. I need to go on a vacation now. I just love how this look came out. I really love simple natural looks and really into that, and this pop of color looks so amazing. And that's it for today. I hope you like this one, and if you do so, then please let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you have any future suggestions. I would love to know that, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.